From the spirals of galaxies to the symmetry of snowflakes, from the pyramids of Egypt to the equations of Einstein, what if the universe isn't random at all? What if the universe is itself geometry? For thousands of years, ancient cultures believed the universe had a hidden order. Pythagoras spoke of the harmony of the spheres, teaching that numbers and proportions were the very fabric of reality. Plato described the elements as geometry itself, fire shaped as a tetrahedron, earth as a cube, water as an icosahedron, air as an octahedron, and the cosmos as a dodecahedron. Sacred geometry, symbols like the flower of life, Metron's cube, and the Sri Yantra were seen as maps of creation, the divine blueprints behind form and script. Even architecture reflected this truth. The pyramids of Egypt, the temples of the Mayans aligned with stellar geometry, built as mirrors of heaven on earth. Fast forward to modern physics and the same idea emerges with new language. Einstein described gravity as geometry, the curvature of space-time itself. String theory tells us particles are not points but vibrating loops existing as hidden geometric dimensions called Calabi-Yau manifolds. Chaos theory and fractals reveal repeating patterns across scales, whether in ferns, coastlines, neurons, or galaxies. At the quantum level, some physicists believe space-time is woven from tiny geometric units, Planck-scale triangles, and tetrahedra that build up reality itself. It doesn't stop with matter. Consciousness itself appears to move in geometric patterns. Brain waves form rhythmic oscillations, emotions rise and fall in harmonic frequencies, and states of awareness can be mapped as spirals and fields. Ancient mystics spoke of the chakras, energy centers spinning like wheels, while modern neuroscience maps brain networks that echo fractal geometry. In truth, our inner world follows the same geometric principles as the outer cosmos. This is where the ancient and modern meet. The torus, the donut-shaped field seen in both energy work and physics, becomes the pattern of the human heart and the galaxy. The spiral shows up in our DNA, in hurricanes, in the Fibonacci curve of growth. Geometry is the shared language of matter, energy, and mind. And through Primal Integrity, we learn to use this language consciously to shift perception, expand dimensions of awareness, and realign the hidden order of the universe. So next time you see the curve of a shell, the branches of a tree, or the arc of a planet across the sky, remember, you are not separate from this design. Consciousness, body, and universe are all part of the same geometry. The universe is geometry, and you too are part of its living pattern.